If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, welcome back, guys. Yeah, I'm Larry. I'm your host here in Fort Worth, Texas. Welcome back to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. And this review has been provided by Lena from Pen Boutique Store. And a special thank you to all her staff that helped put everything together and get it to me here in Texas. A special e-haul for you there. So let's take a look what's happening now at Pen Boutique. Am I excited about it? Yes, I am, because Pen Boutique has their own new line of the Yak Pen Cases. And like I said before in previous reviews, extremely nice pen cases that are made very well. And this, what you're looking at here, is the Pen Boutique Yak Leather A5 Zip Folio. They call it Crazy Horse Tan, and there's the Yak emblem. Now, it's made to last, and it has zipper right here. Now, the zipper is the YKK zipper. They're strong, sturdy, not cheap zippers. They are really durable zippers, and we'll unzip it, but we'll show the other side. Now, I have been using this for a while to see how good this pen case is going to be, and I have put it through the mill. Now, it does come with a little velour that I failed to take out of my case. Right here, it comes in this right here. Just pretend that you saw me take it out. Okay, there it is right there. It comes in that, and you can put it back in this and put it in your bag or whatever, but I just been putting that in my bag. Why? To see how durable it is. Okay, this is what it's all about. Is whatever I review, is it worth your money? And I give you my honest opinion. Well, this, let me tell you, has really done the job. Let's open it up. As you see here, it holds 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 6 pens. And it's an A5 size notebook, so it will hold any A5 size notebooks you get. And inside along with a 6 full size pen, as you see right here. And they're done very nicely. And besides that, there's room for more stuff in here. You can put ink vials in here if you want. It has room for 2. And then here's another little compartment that I put my iPods in right there. So that holds that fine. So we can take this out just to show you right here. And it has a really nice, soft padding back in the back. Nice color, nice texture to the pen case. Now, I've been using this portfolio religiously for a while now, and I wanted to make sure that it was going to stand up to everything that I needed to, and it did that. It always takes care of my pens. Everything always stays in place. It doesn't fall out. The zipper, of course, is a quality zipper. A5 notebook here. And when you write, there's really no problem writing. And for those who want, you can always take it out. So, right here is where you get them. Never leave home without it. I mean, the pen case will sell for itself. That's my opinion. It's made that well. So I'm sure you're asking for how much for this, right? Way affordable. $58, that's all. $58 for this A5 zip folio. A5. Remember that. $58. Now, that is affordable. And it has this nice rugged look, but a nice feel as well, and that texture is just really nice. So, what do you think about it? I mean, it's your money, so you want to use your money wisely. You want to make sure what you get is going to be worth your money. At least I do, you know. So, leave me your thoughts on this beautiful, affordable Pen Boutique Yak Leather A5 zip folio. Well, that's going to wrap up this video for today, but I've got some more Yak pen cases coming at you, so you might want to just kind of don't lose control, because they are amazing. I've got some other stuff that are amazing that's going to blow you away. But it never ceases to amaze me what Lena from Pen Boutique and her staff comes up with, right? All right, folks, that's it. With that said, a lot of peace and a lot of love to each and every one of you. God bless you all. Good folks out there, mighty good folks. Thank you for hanging with me. I'm still here. I'm going to be here till the good Lord takes me away. So, be kind to strangers. And as always, please don't text and drive. Bye-bye.